Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of From the Field Q&A with P&J. I am John.
And I am Pedro. So let's dive into some questions from this week.
I will start. Okay.
Okay.
All right, first question is, as a CMS author, am I able to track any changes made to pages I own or am watching?
Yes, you can. Directus activities and revisions provide full accountability tracking with flows used to trigger notifications of changes. So just create a simple flow, and then when specific pages you own are edited, you can get a notification of your choosing. So next question. Can I add an expiration date to my records?
Yes, we support date fields. We actually have a pick option when you're creating a new field. You can pick a date field option and set it to a date that you would want it to expire, and you can have a flow automatically clean that up. You can have it archive it, hard delete it. You can move it to a hidden table. You can do any sort of data that you want. You can see here in the screen where you can add that date record, that date field. So it's very simple to set up.
Awesome.
All right. Can I check content for proper grammar and flag issues?
Yeah, of course. So within the Directus Studio app, it's obviously a web-based application. So any browser or third-party plugins or tools or utilities may be used by the authors or implemented as workflow validations during their save operation. So I personally use Grammarly a lot, actually, within Chrome. So, just one use case there.
Yeah, and if anybody can figure out how to have us have proper grammar, as you've probably heard through some of our videos, if we can have a video version of that, that would be greatly appreciated. But
Grammarly Video Edition. This video is not sponsored.
No, not sponsored, hashtag.
All right. Moving along. Can I view version history of content? So is there some sort of version history of all the updates going on?
Yeah, so this is role-based and permissions-based. So if you allow someone to have revision access and revision version history, usually admins have it, but you can enable other people to have it as well. You can go in and see who has made changes, what the changes were done. You can also have it be reverted back to a previous version as well. So if you don't like the content that they changed, you can go back as an admin and change it back to whatever previous version was as well. But very thorough revision tracking, activity tracking. That is one of the things, we want admins and people who are in charge to be able to see that content that's changing. And if something just didn't work, maybe for your audience, they didn't like a picture better than a different picture, you can go back and change it to a previous version. So very simple to do with revision tracking. All right. Thanks, y'all, for following along this week as we answered some of your questions. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube. If you hop along into some of our communities like GitHub and Discord, these are where we source some of these questions from. We also answer them live throughout the week as well. Our whole team is in there communicating with you. So thanks again. Tune in next time for another episode of From the Field, and we'll see you then. Bye, y'all.
Bye.